To assemble and install the tunnel bag on your Matrix snowmobile, follow these steps. Ensure the snowmobile is parked on a flat, level surface and remove the key. Begin by unzipping the bag and removing the internal dividers. Then, unzip the inside fabric panel of the bag to access the mounting holes underneath. Next, align the provided front feet to the grooves on the bottom of the bag. Then, insert the screws through the inside of the bag into the front feet and tighten until fully seated. Next, insert screws into the front feet from the underside of the bag and secure with the provided nuts. Torque the fasteners to specification. Then, align the latch housing to its mounting location on the bottom of the bag. Ensuring the corners are properly aligned, place the latch housing cover onto the latch housing. Then, insert the screws through the latch housing cover and into the bag. Install the provided nuts on the inside and counterhold while torquing the latch screws to specification. Next, insert the provided screws into the latch housing. Then, attach the provided nuts to the screws on the inside of the bag and torque to specification. Continue by inserting the rubber bumpers into the holes on the front feet and latch housing. Next, zip up the fabric panel on the inside of the bag and reinstall the internal dividers as desired. Next, move to the snowmobile and insert the 2 T-slot bolts into the tunnel rack and position them on either side of the applicable openings. Then, install the latch onto the T-slot bolts, ensuring the bottom of the latch is properly aligned with the opening on the track. Then, attach the provided nuts and torque to specification. When installing the bag, begin by inserting the feet into the 2 front slots. Then release the latches, pressing down firmly on the bag to engage the latches. Release the latches to lock the bag in place and ensure it is secure. To remove the bag, begin by releasing the latches. Then, lift up and pull back to remove from the sled. Once installed, the T-slots can be repositioned to accommodate both long and short-sized bags. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.